Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very quick tutorial for you guys going over a bleach and tone. You guys know I no longer have this on my actual service menu, but I do have a couple of male clients I still do take that are close friends and loyal clients from the beginning of my career. And this is my cousin Jay. He likes to get his hair done every couple months. And he always likes that yellow M&M bleach blonde color. We've done white blonde. He loved it. It looks so good on him. But he likes this warm blonde that almost looks yellow. So I'm going to show you how to give somebody a nice warm golden blonde without making it look too brassy and leaving it too raw or toning it down too much. So if you want to learn how to do this in this quick tutorial, then keep watching.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another sea.
When doing the scalp lightener application, it is very crucial to have moisture in your lightener, because remember, when bleach dries out, it will stop working. So my advice when doing on the scalp lightener and all over application like this in general is to always make sure you apply the product heavily and really saturate, and even take your brush like I'm doing and break through into the hair to make sure you're saturating everything. Nothing's worse than getting left with a hollow spot or a dark spot you have to go back in and let process again. So I let him process for 45 minutes, rinsed with cool water, and I toned him with Redken Shades EQ 9G, was 3/4 of my formula, and I threw 1/4 of 9N. This G, even though it's gold, will still knock down brass. A lot of people think you have to have an ash to counteract brass. That is not true. I could have just used a straight 9G, but I did add a little bit of 9N just to get that little bit of coolness in there to be sure to really counteract that brass. A lot of people are scared of warmth, but warmth can be a beautiful thing, especially if your undertone is warm. And a lot of people really, like I said, think that you have to use ash to counteract brass. Right here, as I rinse with cool water, you can see how brassy he is. I usually, when we do his hair and get him to that white blonde, he is able to get there. He is a natural level 6, so he lightens pretty well. And I usually let him sit until he gets to that inside of a banana look, a perfect level 10, and tone him with 10 levels by Goldwell. But he wants this M&M yellow today. And you can see when you rinse the hair what real brass looks like, the underlying pigment that is exposed, compared to the end result, which is a beautiful controlled warm gold color. I am using my favorite No Yellow shampoo. If you've never tried it, you gotta get it. All the information is down below. It's Fenola's No Yellow. They have a mask and a vegan edition of this, and it is sulfate, paraben, silicone free. Best thing ever. I also wanted to elaborate on what I mean and what my cousin means when he wants M&M yellow. He doesn't want very brassy yellow hair. He wants that bleach and tone look, which to him is yellow, but to us it's really gold. So that's what I gave him, and keep watching and you'll see the results at the end. Thank you guys for watching this quick mini tutorial. Let me know down below in the comments videos you want to see. This channel is growing rapidly and I want to put out content you guys actually want to watch. I love you all so much. I'll see you in the next one. As always, so long for now.